What are mans? It's Taco Mans. Welcome to part 7 of my 1995 Celica restoration series. Today I'm changing the oil for the first time in 3 years. Later I'll show you the classic 90s instrument panel lit up during a night drive, so stay tuned and let's talk about it. So this is the first time I'm changing the oil since buying this car, and it's going to be the last job I'll do before going for the safety test. The color of the oil in the dipstick looks decent, but we'll get a better look later. So the oil drain plug is located near the front crossmember. The oil pan's really wet, but I'm pretty sure this is from the rust proofing spray I got done not too long ago. There was this white flaky stuff around the oil drain plug. I was a bit concerned, but after wiping it a good amount, most of it came off and there seems to be no damage to the oil pan. Now I spent a lot of time setting up the camera to get this shot, but unfortunately it wasn't recording when I removed the drain plug. But the drain plug was very simple to remove, and you can see the oil's pretty dark. The drain plug was a 22mm bolt. I realized after removing it that it had to be an aftermarket plug because it had a mechanism where you could drain the oil by pushing on the spring-loaded piece in the center. I had no plans of changing it right now, so I'm going to clean it up and reuse it. The washer around it was stuck on pretty bad. The oil cap had some moisture inside, but I wasn't too concerned because the car had been sitting for years. I'm using my oil filter removal tool, and the filter came out pretty easy. The O-ring was still attached to the filter, so that's good too. I like how this filter location was designed to be on top, so it's really easy to change the oil in this car. I'm using a Toyota oil filter. Here's the part number, and I've listed it in the description down below. The O-rings come pre-lubricated, but I always add a little extra, force a habit I guess. I also got a new washer for the drain plug, which is also from Toyota. After a few minutes I hand tightened the drain plug back on, then I finished it off with a wrench. I didn't bother using a torque wrench, I just did it by feel. Then I put the plastic cap back on. The car calls for 4.2 liters of 10W30. And just like that, the oil change is done and I'm ready to get the car certified. So this oil change video was actually recorded a couple months ago. The Celica passed the safety test with no issues and the car's been on the road ever since. I have big plans for the Celica that are still in the works, but for now, let's enjoy the nostalgic 90s interior lighting on this night drive. Please like, share, subscribe, and vibe. I'll catch you on the next Taco Man's out. Peace.